Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's nighttime. I usually don't film in the evening, but we are going shopping now and I wanted you guys to come along with us. What we're shopping for is our secret sibling gifts. Oh, I need some light. There we go. Oh, there we go. That's better. We are doing secret sibling shopping. I've got my little buddy here and we are going to shop for his secret sibling. And I think this is an amazing thing. It's something that my kids have done for a super long time and they love it and they look forward to it. So I wanted to tell you guys about it so that you can do that with your kids too, because I think it's awesome to do for Christmas. So if you're interested in what secret sibling even is, then stay tuned. So here's the deal. It is what it sounds like. They draw names. So I've got 4 kids. I've done different things where I'll write everybody's name down and they'll either have to go find it. So I've like hit them in the living room and whatever name they find, that's their person for this year. Or we have done the fan game where we put the names up on the ceiling fan and then we turn the fan down, the names fall, and whichever one you catch, that's your person. Or I think there might've been a year where I just assigned everybody to somebody, because it does get tricky after a while where it's like, this person's had this person, like this person had this person last year, so they want somebody new this year. They can't have themselves. And then it gets tricky trying to make sure everybody has somebody new and making sure they don't have who they had last year. So it is a little tricky, but it's so worth it. What do you think? Do you like doing secret sibling? Mm-hmm. It's so fun. So here's the gist. They pick names for each other and then they get to shop for that person for a Christmas gift. Because otherwise, typically I buy all the gifts, they get gifts from us, but they don't have, only one of them has a job. So what I like to do is them being able to do something for one of their siblings. And so lately, I think the last few years I've done like a $20 budget. You have $20, you can go to a thrift store and get a bunch of stuff. You can go to a regular store and get one big thing or whatever you want to do. And they have so much fun with it. We also, a few years ago, we did where every Friday, it was like once a week. I think it was every Friday. I would take them to the dollar store, and they were a little bit younger then. And then they get to pick something out for their person every Friday, and then we'd go pay for it, and then they'd hide it or something, and they'd get something every week. In theory, that was really fun, but oh my word, it was so much trouble trying to buy for 4 different people. Me having to help people pick stuff out and then go check out without anybody else knowing, that was hectic. But you could try it, especially if you only have like 2 kids. If you've got multiple kids, it can get a little tricky. But all we're doing this year is they picked a name and they have $20 to go spend for that person. So I'm gonna take my son and he's gonna buy for one of his sisters that he drew for. And one of my other girls actually was with me the other day and she already got something for her person. So I'm just randomly, if I'm out with this person, we try to go get something for their sibling. So it'll be fun. Are you excited? Mm-hmm. I don't know if should we say on here who you have? We'll wait.
No,
we'll wait and see.
Want Santa.
Yeah, we don't want anybody to watch it. So, so we're going to actually run in the thrift store just because you can always find random fun stuff. And we'll see if there's anything in here. Otherwise, we're probably going to go to TJ Maxx because they have cheap, cool stuff. And he has 3 sisters, so it would be a good place for sisters. Otherwise, I think we're going to go to Walmart. We only have about an hour and a half, which is going to go by quick. So I'll bring you guys along with us and we'll show you what we get at the end. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're going to Goodwill. Okay, so we didn't have any luck at Goodwill, right? We saw some stuff, but nothing that really, we saw stuff that we wanted to get for ourselves, but we were just shopping for our sister, so we had to pass on that. Then we went to TJ Maxx and they had a lot of really good stuff. So if you need like cool random gift ideas, they do have some really great stuff that are like, I think at Christmas time, they just bring in a lot of like unique gift things. We didn't end up getting anything there. We did find something at Walmart. Hold on. So then we went to Walmart and we did find something there. Can you put that down? Then we went to Walmart and we did find something there, but we ran out of time. So we will have to do a part 2 to find the rest of the gift, right? We had a couple cool ideas though. So we'll update you guys once we find her whole gift. Okay, so that is the gist. I kind of explained to you guys what the secret sibling thing is. I'll show you real quick what my son got for his sister. He didn't get to finish because like I said, I knew the time was gonna go really quick. I'm in my bathroom again because I keep the presents in this bathtub. So he got her one part of the gift. It was actually, she had asked for a glass smoothie cup and I hadn't gotten her one yet. So he was looking at different cups. He found one at TJ Maxx that he really liked. It was really pretty with bows on it, but she specifically asked for glass. So I told him to hold off because I knew they had some at Walmart. So he went to Walmart and found this one. It's really pretty. I think it's exactly what she would have wanted. It has a glass straw and a glass lid, and she makes smoothies like every day. So she's actually gonna be super excited about this, even though you may not think so. She loves smoothies, so she's gonna be super excited. So that was actually only $4.96. So $5 of his gift is done. He can still get $15 worth. We may look on Amazon. We will try to go somewhere else. And like I said, my other girls have to shop too. I'll show you what my other daughter got for my son. So just to give you an idea of what one of the other gifts is, because he'll still have to get something to make it add up to $20. But I was shopping at Aldi with my other daughter who drew my son's name the other day, and we found these. And one thing he had asked for was a Lego set for Christmas. So we found these. Oh my word, these are so cute. So they had the Aldi Play Food Market, and it says that conveyor belt actually works. It actually moves, and it's got like all the like play food. Oh my word, that was so cute. So that was $9.99. I know it's not Lego brand, so I'm hoping they snap together good and stuff. But because it was only $9.99, she was able to get 2. So she also got the grocery cart with a grocery bag, and it's got a bunch of little food in it. Isn't that so cute? So this is like 360 pieces for $9.99. This one was 385 pieces for $9.99. So that was her $20 gift for him. So it's just like that. Like they kind of go to a store. If they find something they like that's in their around about their $20 budget, that's what they get. So I would really encourage you guys to do this with your kids. I wanted to get this out before December, but I think it's, what is today? December 6th today. So this will go out tomorrow, December 7th. So you still have plenty of time to do this, but I think it's a really fun thing for them to get their eyes off of themselves and focus on their siblings. And I think it's fun too if you want to add, like, do something nice for them, try to secretly do something nice. We've done that before where they have the whole month of December and they could get the gift for their secret sibling, but they also had to try to secretly do something nice, which didn't, like, it was like, hey, I'll do your dishes for you today, or you don't want to be suspicious. And then they're like, I bet you're my secret sibling, or like, hey, I picked this up for you, or I made you a peanut butter jelly sandwich when I made mine, or I don't know, just to try to do little things. I just think it's really sweet, and it's very minimal. I've got 4 kids, $80. Yes, it's another chunk, but it's for them to get for each other. And I think that's important. I think it's really fun. So anyway, next week I should have my what I got my kids for Christmas and how much I spent video, which is fun. I'm excited. So that'll be out next Sunday. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video or any of my other videos. I hope you guys are having fun. I hope you're being thrifty. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.